Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot oil sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of a neutral oil, such as canola or grapeseed, which provides a clean base. For that signature kick, have 3 tablespoons of red pepper flakes on hand. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger to add aromatic depth. Finally, a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of sugar will perfectly balance the flavors. Now, let's prepare our aromatic base. Take a heat-proof bowl and combine your 3 tablespoons of red pepper flakes, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Next, sprinkle in the 1 teaspoon of salt and the half teaspoon of sugar. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are well mixed. This combination will create the incredible flavor foundation for our hot oil sauce. The next crucial step is heating our oil to the perfect temperature. Pour your 1 cup of neutral oil into a small saucepan and heat it over medium-high heat. You're aiming for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can test this by dropping a tiny piece of garlic into the oil. It should sizzle immediately. Once hot, carefully and slowly pour the shimmering oil directly over the aromatic mixture in your heat-proof bowl. Almost there. Once you've poured the hot oil, let the sauce cool completely to room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes. As it cools, the flavors will continue to meld beautifully. After cooling, give it a final good stir to ensure everything is perfectly combined. Then, transfer your delicious hot oil sauce into a clean, airtight jar. You can store this flavorful condiment in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate any dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.